protein powder has more protein per gram than whey, all essential amino acids, and costs the planet 90% less water to produce.
It looks like whey, it mixes like whey, it tastes neutral like whey.
But it's made from these great mealworms.
Before you click away to toot, this might be the most important food technology of the century.
Welcome to a $50 million insect protein factory, where millions of mealworms are farmed with pharmaceutical-level precision. Using 90% less water, 80% less land, and producing a fraction of the emissions. From living larvae to pure protein powder, irregular, in just hours. The end product? Indistinguishable from whey in your morning shake. Let's follow every step, from farm to powder.
It starts in the breeding room with the adult form, darkling beetles.
These small beetles are the parents of every mealworm in this facility.
Mesh floors let tiny eggs fall through scale, separating them from adults. Eggs so small you'd need a magnifying glass, each one a future protein source.
Eggs transfer to the incubation room.
27 degrees, controlled humidity, Lester Renault, perfect hatching conditions.
Within 10 days, tiny larvae will emerge, just 2 millimeters long.
Pale and tiny at first, but they'll grow 20 times larger.
Every environmental parameter is monitored around the clock. Automated feeders deliver precise nutrition on schedule. They eat wheat bran, itself a byproduct from flour milling.
Fresh vegetables provide moisture. Mealworms don't drink water directly.
After 4 weeks, Klessel, already 10 times their hatching size.
Vertical stacking produces tons of protein in a fraction of the space. Millions of mealworms growing simultaneously tested, a protein factory unlike any other. After 10 to 12 weeks once ate, fully grown and packed with protein.
Each one barding 55% pure protein by dry weight.
Computer vision determines optimal harvest timing. Maximum protein, minimum feed hen, perfectly optimized. Harvest day, selected trays move to collection. Vibrating sieves separate larvae from feed and waste.
Larvae stay on top, bran and frass fall through.
Even the waste has value. And Talno, premium organic fertilizer. Clean larvae head to processing thuration. Transformation begins. Thorough washing removes any remaining particles. Clean and ready for the next critical step. Flash freezing at -40 degrees under degree, instant and humane. Frozen solid in seconds for you, preserving nutritional integrity. Steam blanching eliminates pathogens, possession. Food safety guaranteed. Blanched and sterile, the raw material is now food safe. Industrial drying reduces moisture to below 5%. Dried mealworms, shelf-stable and concentrated in protein. The extraction room trough, where insects become invisible. First step, grind into coarse flour. High-speed grinding reduces mealworms to unrecognizable powder. Mealworm flour faded. The insect is gone. Only nutrition remains.
This flour alone is 55% protein, but we can do better.
Protein extraction isolates pure protein from fat and chitin.
Controlled water extraction dissolves protein while leaving other components. Thorough mixing ensures maximum protein release. Mild heat and food-grade enzymes optimize protein recovery. 1 to 2 hours of careful extraction. Centrifugal separation, the key technology for protein isolation. Spilling at thousands of RPM, 3 distinct layers form.
Fat rises to the top, protein in the middle. Chitin and fibers settle at the bottom.
Insect oil, rich in omega fatty acids, used in cosmetics and animal feed.
Chitinhunktov, nature's polymer, used in medical applications and agriculture.
The protein stream, our target product, continues to purification.
Zero waste. Every component finds value. Protein enters the purification stage.
Purification, achieving protein levels that rival or exceed whey.
Microfiltration removes remaining particles.
Membrane pores so small, only dissolved protein passes through.
Already cleaner, but not pure enough yet.
Ultrafiltration concentrates protein while removing water and small molecules.
Membranes selectively retain large protein molecules.
Concentrated protein, 80% purity, and rising.
Ion exchange butynyl, the same technology used in pharmaceutical manufacturing. Selectively capturing protein molecules while removing impurities. 90% pure protein, cleaner than many whey isolates.
pH adjustment neutralizes any remaining flavor corns, creating a blank canvas.
Taste testing confirms neutral flavor, no insect taste whatsoever.
Color and clarity match the standard for premium protein powder. Pure, neutral, concentrated TAF, ready to become powder. Full amino acid profile testing polling. All 9 essential amino acids confirmed. A complete protein townie, matching whey's amino acid profile. High in BCAAs, the amino acids athletes need most. Microbiological testing confirms 0 pathogens. Allergen testing delivered important for consumers with shellfish sensitivities.
Quality verified. Cleared for the final transformation.
The spray dryer, where liquid protein becomes the powder you know. This tower stands 3 stories tall, upglinerd, a marvel of food engineering. Purified protein liquid feeds into the dryer. The atomizer overhead, turning liquid into billions of microscopic droplets. Atomized into a fine mist, then crept, each droplet smaller than a human hair. Hot air instantly evaporates moisture blipping, forming protein particles. Each droplet transforms from liquid to solid in milliseconds. Billions of particles form every second. Fine, uniform protein powder collects at the base. Continuous discharge keeps production flowing.
Look at it fed. Would you know this isn't whey protein?
Side by side with whey, virtually identical. Particle size analysis ensures perfect mixing and texture.
Below 5% moisture proud, shelf stable for years.
Final sieving ensures silky smooth consistency.
Refined protein powder Amin, ready for packaging. Lecithin treatment improves mixability. Taubin, no clumps in your shake.
The finished powders say, pure, neutral, and perfectly mixable.
The Quality Lab Economy, where every batch proves its worth. Every batch is sampled and rigorously tested. Protein content, 90% by weight, puro, exceeding most whey isolates. 90% pure protein, setting a new standard. HPLC chromatography maps every amino acid present. Heavy metal screening, beer, below detection limits. Pesticide-free, controlled farming eliminates exposure. Zero pathogens erlofur. Every batch confirmed safe.
Dissolution testing fed. It mixes completely in seconds.
Smooth, creamy, no grit selling, just like premium whey.
Blind taste panels confer neutral flavor profile. Accelerated aging tests confirm 2-year shelf life. Every batch receives a certificate of analysis. Approved RILs, cleared for packaging. The packaging room crew-in, where bulk powder becomes retail product.
Tons of protein powder flow into the packaging system.
Premium packaging designed for the sports nutrition market.
Precision filling spooling, exactly 1 kilogram per container. Every container filled with identical precision. Nitrogen flush displaces oxygen pavikia, preventing oxidation. Airtight foil seals lock-in freshness. Screw caps complete the sealed package. A measuring scoop in every container. Labels detail nutritional facts and serving suggestions. QR codes let consumers trace every batch to its source. Single-serve sachets for on-the-go athletes. Each sachet a Oreo, one perfect serving. Bulk packaging for food manufacturers who blend it into bars, shakes, and foods. Vision systems verify every package.
Every container verified for exact weight.
Containers packed for distribution.
Robotic palletizing prepares for global shipping.
From factory to fitness stores worldwide. Shipped globally, to stores, gyms, and online retailers.
On shelves next to Wayfair, competing on science, not sentiment. The insect protein market is growing 40% year over year.
Athletes are switching for performance and planet.
In smoothies, shakes, oatmeal brief day, tastes completely neutral.
Food manufacturers blend it into protein bars, pasta, and baked goods. The environmental numbers speak for themselves.
90% less water than dairy protein production.
80% less land. Vertical farming is the future.
A 100 times less greenhouse gas emissions.
With 10 billion people by 2050, we need new protein sources.
Insect protein factories are opening across Europe, Asia, and North America.
Approved in the EU, gaining approval worldwide. The science is clear. The industry is just beginning, Pro. Production will increase tenfold in the next decade. From tine egg to pure protein powder wider in just 12 weeks. You wouldn't know one came from the other.
High protein, low impact, science-backed nutrition.
A tiny insect, offering a massive solution to our planet's protein problem.
From farm to powder to legated. That's how mealworms become the protein of the future.